Good morning, dear kids. Today I am taking your same chapter, that is 14, exercise A, and I am taking your problem number 12. Question number 12. Are the following pairs of angles complementary? Do we know what you mean by complementary? Yes, we know that if sum of two angles is 90, we call them as complementary angles. So in every sum, you have to keep on checking that if your sum is coming 90, that means the two angles given to you will be complementary angles. Let's start. Number 1, we have 10 and 80. And you know 10 and 80 makes 90. So you will say yes, they are complementary angles as their sum is equal to 90 degree. Clear? Next we have problem number 2, which says 37 degree 28 minutes and 52 degree 33 minutes. So you have to add them, and if you are getting sum equal to 90, you will say yes, that they are complementary. Let's see. My dear kids, I am getting 89 degree 61 minutes, but do we know that here you cannot have more than 60? So that 1 minute you have to transfer to your degree. So that will become 90 degree 60 minutes. Clear? So 90 degree 60 minutes will be your 91 degree. So that is more than 90. So the addition of these two is more than 90. So you will say that they are not complementary angles. As their sum is more than 90. Is that clear? Okay, we have next. Similarly, we have next as problem number 3, which says x plus 16 degree and 74 minus x degree. So you have to add x plus 16 plus 74 minus x. Plus x and minus x is eliminated. So 16 plus 74 is 90. So yes, they are complementary. Clear? Problem number 4. They have 54 degree and 2/5 of right angle. What is 54 degree plus 2/5 of? Of means multiplication, right angle means 90 degree. When you do this calculation, my dear kids, you will get you will get 18 into 2, 36, and their sum makes up 90. So yes, they are complementary angle. Clear? Next we have question number 13, which says, are the following pairs of angles supplementary? So you have to find whether their addition is 180. Let's start. 139 and 39, when you add them, you will get 178. So these two angles are not supplementary as their sum is not 180. You have to write the reason. Then you have 26 degree, 59 minutes, 153 degree and 1 minute. Here it will come 60 minutes. Here it will come, yes my dear kids, now I got 179 degree 60 minutes. Now 60 minutes I'll convert into degree and it will go there and it will become 180 degree in all. So we can say that the sum of these two angles is 180 degree, hence they are supplementary. Is the point clear? Okay, next we have third. which says 3/10 of right angle, that means 90 degree, plus 4/15 of two right angles. What do you mean by two right angles? एक right angle 90 degree का तो 2 होगा 180 degree. Are you getting my point clear? Once you solve this, you will get 27, and here 5 3s are 5 3s are and 6. 12 into 4 is 48. So you got 27 degree plus 48 degree, that makes 75 degree. And 75 degree, my dear kids, what you will write is, no, they are not supplementary. Are you getting my point? Very, very clear. And why they are not supplementary? As their sum is not 180 degree. Okay. Next, fourth. We have 2x plus 65 plus 115 minus 2x. Plus 2x minus 2x can be eliminated, and when you add this, you will get exactly 180 degrees. So hence, they are supplementary. Are you getting my point? Very clear, my dear kids. I'll jump on to question number 14, which says, if 3x plus 18 degree and 2x plus 25 degree are supplementary. So it is given that they are supplementary. How you will do it? Supplementary means the addition is 180, and you have to find the value of x. So in that case, you will write 3x plus 18 degree plus 2x plus 25 degree is equal to 180 degree. Once you add your variable terms, it will be 5x and your number term together, you will get something like this. Keep 5x here, 180 here, this 43 will go here and become into subtraction. 5x is equal to 137. Now x you have to keep it here, 137 here and 5 here. You have to divide 137 by 5. And once you divide, my dear kids, by 5, what you are going to get is something like this. So you can say you got 27.4 degree. Clear? Okay. Shall we jump on to next question number 15? And it says, if two complementary angles are in ratio 1:5. Now my dear kids, we know when we keep it in ratio something, then you have to write, let the angles be 1x and 5x. And they are complementary. That means 1x plus 5x is making 90 degree. That means 6x is equal to 90 degree. That means x is equal to 90 upon 6. And you will get x value as 15. But they have asked you the angle. So you have to put this value into your angles. That means 1x, that is 1 into 15. You will get 15 degree. And 5x, that is 5 into 15. So you will get 75 degree. Is that clear? I'll jump on to question number 16, which says, if two supplementary angles are 2:7. So what I'll write, let the angles be 2x and 7x. And they are supplementary. That means their addition is making up 180. And once you got this, the problem becomes very easy. So you got value of x as 20. You have to put it in this and put it in this. Is that clear? I'll jump on to problem number 17, and which says, three angles add up to 180 and are in ratio 2:3:7. That means, can I keep first angle as 2x, second angle as 3x and third angle as 7x? And if I add them, I'll get 12x. And they have said that their addition is equal to 180. So that means 12x is equal to 180. 180 divided by 12, I'll get 15 degree. I got the value of x. I now have to put it in these three and get the value of angles. Could you please do that? Problem number 18, which says 20% of an angle is supplement of 60 degree. Find the angle. Now 20% of an angle, we do not know how much is the angle. Can we put it as x degree? Is equal to 60 degree. Once you read the question, you have to just make the equation. I'll repeat it again. 20% of an angle is 60 degree. That means 20% किसी एंगल का 60 डिग्री बन रहा है, तो 20% में हम लोग नीचे 100 लगाते हैं ऑफ x डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. Yes, I'll keep my x here, 60 here, this 100 in division will go here and this 20 in multiplication will come here. So I got my answer as 300. Am I going correct? I'll change this. 1 minute. I'll change this because I think I have not read the question properly. Problem number 18 again. 20% of an angle is supplement of 60. So 20% of an angle is supplement of 60. That means when you add 60 to it, your answer will be 180. That will make an equation. I'm so sorry, but my previous equation was completely wrong. So what we will do it here is 20% of an angle make supplement with 60 degree. So that means 20% of an angle plus 60 degree will add up to 180 because supplementary angles, they add up to 180. Is that clear? Now, if I do like this, so can I take this 60 on that side? So that will be something like this. Now that will be 120. If I take this 10 here, so it will be 120 into 10. And can I take this 120 into 10 will be here. Can I take this 20 into division here? And once I solve this, my dear kids, I'll get the value of x as 600. Clear? So we have started from question number 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I'll take 2 more and then we'll stop. Problem number 19, which says 10% of an x is complementary to 40% of 2x. That means when I add 40% of 2x, then the addition becomes 90 because they are complementary. So that means it will be something like this. Can I just multiply this? If the LCM is 10 here, so it will be something like this. Can I take this 10 here? And the value of x will be, isn't it easy? Yes, you have to find value of x. Only thing is you have to understand the question what it says. It says 10% of x and 40% of 2x, they are complementary to each other. That means 10% of x and 40% of 2x, when you add them, the addition will come up to 90. And then that's the reason I have made such kind of equation. And once the equation is clear, you have to solve that by taking LCM. Is that clear? I'll jump on to problem number 20, which says the figure is given to you and the angles are given to you. Once you have all the angles and they are all in a straight line, can we say their addition sums up to 180? Once you add all these x's together, you will get 10x is equal to 180. And from there, you will get the value of x as 18 degree. Once you got x as 18 degree, my dear kids, what you have to find is, find x एंड इट्स सप्लीमेंट. जब आपके पास x आ जाता है, you have to find its supplement. How you will find the supplement of x? X is 18 degree, and when you want supplement, what you will do? You will subtract from 180 degree and you will get 162 degree. So 162 is the answer for this question. So x तो आपने find कर दिया, but they have asked to find the supplement. Supplement मतलब you have to subtract from 180. Is that clear, my dear kids? I'll stop it here. God bless.